going on a car ride? Good boy, Tucker. Taking a car ride. Mister, you taking a nap in the car? Tired puppy. You guys are good boys. What's our sailor doing? Oh, you looking out the window, Sailor? Sailor likes to sightsee on his car ride. Who are you looking for, Sailor? Oh, I'm looking to see if there's any other dogs out here. Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh, looks like Tucker's going to take a nap now. Taking a nap. Just checking things out. Taking a rest with my brother. Brothers. You guys friends? Aw, good boys. Best friends till the end.